How to see X or Twitter comments. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about seeing the X or Twitter app comments. So in order to see all the comments on a post in X or Twitter application on your iPhone or Android, you need to first install the latest version of application on your device. Simply launch or open the application, log into your specific account, and now from the home page or the feed page, you need to go ahead and find any post that you're interested in. Once you do that, don't tap the image or video either, and do not tap the comment icon. That is just for replying. Instead, tap on the text of the post itself. This will open the post and show you all the comments and replies underneath. It's that simple. So I hope this helps. This is how you can go ahead and see X comments or the Twitter post comments on Twitter application. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.